Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and saving some money perhaps. I also invite you to check out the links in the description for some long-term savings with the stock market and checking out the links for either E-Trade or M1 where you can save and trade fractional stocks, or Webull, which is usually giving away a couple free stocks for just depositing $100. So I strongly invite you to invest in your future and check them out. Thanks, and let's get to the video. 2013 Ford Edge automatic transmission fluid change, 3.5 liter. I'm using 11 millimeter socket and ratchet. I'm going to drain the fluid into this bucket. It's got some measurements on it. Try and put in what I took out. Pretty easy. Loosen it, pull the plug, and let it drain into a container. Pretty easy. Boom. So we'll let that drain. We'll come back and find out about how much came out. If the fluid's like oil, then you might consider draining and filling it 2 times. And don't worry about the totally perfect fill amount. If you're going to do that, just drain it, measure it, put the same amount back in, run it, and then the second time, then you can worry about the proper procedure for checking final fluid level. So it's full and running out a little bit more. This is a 4-quart container, 4 quarts, 3.5, 4. So we got maybe just over 4. Seems to be running over a little bit. Well, we're going to start with 4. So we'll put the plug in there, tighten it down, and then we'll get to the top and fill it up. If you're interested, drain plug torque spec is 80 inch-pounds. So here's the dipstick right here, the minimum and maximum. Right down here. In my instructions, it's talking about removing this air cleaner assembly. You got a couple 8 millimeter bolts here. Got some clips you can remove. But I was able to reach right down here and turn it counterclockwise to release it. See, it's got a little notch in there. From a dipstick notch. Right there. So, got our dipstick out. Got our transmission funnel. We'll put it in the hole. We'll fill it with 4 quarts of Mercon LV fluid. Simple as that. Pour it in, and we'll get it running. We wanted operating temperature 180 degrees to 200 degrees to check the fluid, final fluid check on your dipstick. We'll get the 4 quarts in and we'll get it running. Real easy. Just pour the fluid in the transmission funnel. So I'm monitoring transmission fluid temperature and cylinder head temperature. Engine temperature is at 188 right now. So we're going to go ahead and check the fluid level on the transmission. Wiped our end with a clean rag. I'll try and match up the notch in the tube with this so it slides into place. I didn't see anything on there, but I'm actually not seeing any fluid on the dipstick really, so I'm going to probably add a 1/2 quart to it. think most of the time they want you to add things in a pint, which is maybe what the pint is 1/4 of a quart. So we'll just add some and keep checking it. So a lot of times on the transmission dipstick, one side might read higher than the other. On a transmission dipstick, you always want to read the low side. So again, there's a minimum on the left side, a maximum on the right. In the middle is a crosshatch pattern. You want your fluid to be in the crosshatch somewhere, and you'll be good to go. So let's give it a check here. From this particular one, I did walk away and do some other things while I was draining it, so maybe it was much more than 4. It just talks about installing the dipstick tube. It doesn't talk about turning it into place, so just make sure your notch lines up on here with the tab in the transmission. You should be fine. Still nothing, so we're going to go with probably 5.5 quarts maybe. Going to finish off this bottle and get another bottle. Alright, move the camera over a little bit. Better lighting, but so looks like 5 quarts, maybe a pinch more. I don't think it's focusing, but it's right there, so I'm happy with it. In the crosshatch. If you're not sure, maybe do it a couple times. That's in the installed position, so that is replacing your transmission fluid. Your 2013 and other model years Ford Ed.